Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create the album of video clips from your games, captured from your games in the Metal TV app. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to Metal TV, launch the application and log into your account. Then what you want to do guys is navigate to your library here on the left hand side. So as you can see, I haven't created any album yet. So to create one, you may click into create album here in your album section, or navigate to your library and add, for example, a screenshot or a gaming clip you have captured or recorded to the album by clicking into these three dots, select albums, new album. So let me go with this game for the sake of this tutorial. And then click into this button here. And then you will see the album. Now you can share your album with your friends, invite collaborators, and also for example, what you want to do is navigate to the album. You will see it here, so that you may add more video clips from your library to it using the method I just showed you, or create a link to the given album by clicking into this button in the top right, or add people to it here at the top right. So you may do that by using this button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.